Direct D? Yeah, you know me. You down with Direct D? Yeah, you know me. Who's down with Direct D? Every last homie. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Tell them that you want your freedom. What's up, everybody? This isn't a video today. This is just a little thing that I want to talk about. Direct D. Direct D is a beast auditor out of Arizona who came on the scene hard and fast and not giving an F. And I really admire him. He's doing great work. Now he's going to another level. He's doing stuff that I'm pretty sure Audit the Audit would call sovereign citizen stuff. But in my opinion, if it's legal and it's on the books and it's legitimate, it's not like he's pulling it out of thin air. I'm very interested in what's going to happen with him in this case and this stuff that he's doing right here. And I would love to see Audit the Audit grow the nuts to talk about these types of issues, because I've heard Audit the Audit say basically that traffic law ain't going anywhere. Driver's license ain't going anywhere. We can't do anything about it. So this is it. This is what we got to go by. All these nonsense, arbitrary court decisions about traffic code. So Direct D's challenging the judges. He's challenging everybody. And on my timeline, I see this today. I'm about to read it to you. I'm pretty much seeing the documents for the first time. And I'm very interested to see what happens here. So here we go with this. He posted this. Direct D. So I sent copies of this to Tempe and Mesa Municipal Court Prosecutor's Office. What you're looking at is a fee schedule contract utilizing, I don't know what that squiggly thing is, S28-1-308. Performance or acceptance under reservation of rights. These are my stipulations for performance under duress. For any public appearance I might have to make against my will. The list is extensive and covers just about everything. What's this for? Well, when a judge, prosecutor, city official, or police officer does something that violates my established rights, I have now created a mechanism to go after their personal house, their car, everything. Basically, I'm going to slap liens on personal property and take them into federal civil courtroom, make them explain themselves to an actual judge. F around and find out. What kind of car do you drive, detective? Because I might just own it in a lawsuit, sucker. F your immunities. They won't help you here. And if this is true, what he's saying right here, God bless him, dude. It'd be groundbreaking that we could get around all the qualified immunity and all the BS and all the misnomers and the labels and the buzzwords. I'm going to read you what he sent. And I'm going to be reading this for the first time, too, because I didn't have my glasses the first time. So, and he also is doing another thing, which I think is great. I didn't even realize you could do this. I figured they would figure a way to lock you up. But demonstrating peacefully in front of a cop's home is another thing he's pushing. And that is absolutely genius. I would love to be part of that. That is something that absolutely will put a stop to their bullying, because when you show up at their house where they sleep, where they lay their head, and you show up with 50, 100 people, and you do it consistently, you will get change. But you got to be peaceful. Secondly, he also posted a picture of a cop and his wife somewhere, and I guess that cop retaliated against him. So let's go to this fee schedule thing so I can end this video. But Direct D, dude, I applaud you. Godspeed. I hope you do great. So I believe this is one of two. See if I can read this with my old eyes. Fee schedule to whom it may concern. The annex notice of intent fee schedule is a schedule of mandatory fees instated by secured party Christopher Ruff and authorized representative on behalf of Christopher Ruff. Christopher Ruff. Scribble Ruff. Oh, I guess that's the middle name or something. I, Christopher Ruff, do hereby set forth fees to be instated in any business dealing with Christopher Ruff. Christopher Ruff, Christopher blank Ruff, for any business conducted relevant to the schedule. Fees are due and must be paid before said business can commence. In the event invoicing becomes necessary, invoiced amounts are due 15 days after of receipt. If said fees are not met, it is the right of the secured party, Christopher Ruff, to refuse or void any form of business interaction and or transaction. Fees are subject to change at any time without prior notice. Secured party Christopher Ruff is the only authorized representative to alter, void, and or enforce said fees, may do so at any time. All rights reserved. Christopher Ruff. And then let's go to page 2. Whoa. And let's read some of that. So, page 2 of 2. These fees must be paid immediately after my case is finished. Failure to pay fees will have an additional fee of $5,000 for breach of contract. Demand for appearance in court. So I guess they're demanding for him to appear in court. And it says, A, under protest and duress, $75,000 an hour. Voluntarily, $10,000 an hour. Use of trade name material. Name under protest, duress, $25,000. Voluntarily, driver's license, $10,000. Under protest and duress, $25,000. So it's a whole schedule of things. If they make him do it, he's going to charge them for it. Produce any personal information for any kind of business interaction. Financial information, $10,000. Driver's license, $10,000. Social security number, $250,000. Any documents produced by me, $10,000 per document. Time usage for court appearances. Under protest, $33,000. Voluntarily, $10,000. 60 minutes, $75,000. So, there it is. So, Direct D, Christopher Ruff, he's really making waves, man, and he's really pushing forward. And I like his style. It's not the mainstream style like Sean Reyes has, but this is the style I like, because I'm not looking to spend decades. I'd like to see some freedom in this country and some constitutionality before I die. And unfortunately, playing their game one guy at a time is not going to work. We need something like this, something a breakthrough. If this is legitimate, it'd be fantastic. If you could charge them for the things they're doing to you, and they have to pay, and you could put liens on their houses, and it holds up, that would be fantastic. That would cure things so fast. Anyway, subscribe to Direct D. He's doing amazing things. In case you didn't know, subscribe to me. I'm running my mouth a lot, and I'm opinionated, and I like to eat stuff. I got a giant corned beef brisket cooking right now, simmering. I'ma let you simmer. I'ma let you simmer. Thanks, everybody. Peace. Godspeed, Direct D. See ya.